Hi there. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to add the final tags and keywords using AI again. The trick is to open the page again in your Edge browser. Let me open it. Let's put Edge to the next desktop. Okay. For Edge, it looks a little bit different because I didn't zoom out, but usually people will see like this. I have a zoom in feature in the desktop, so that's why it looks a bit bigger. It looks like this. But it's about the theme. The theme actually does not look good to me. The font I really do not like, so I will update the fonts as well, even in this video. So here I will write the prompt as previous. So here I am copying the previous prompt that I have used in the Copilot, and let me just make a Copilot section and just put this into the nested Copilot region. Okay, let's move to the Edge and let me modify this a little bit. Let's write 12 alternative. Let's not write 12, but more than that, because here we are writing the tags. So what I will say, like, please write 24 alternative or 24 hashtags or tags for this page. With H2 tag, with title attribute, paraphrasing the page title attribute, paraphrasing the page, highlighting, glorifying the top ranked sites, and use a tag and things like this. So again, I have given its exact idea how it needs to be done. Must use title attributes for all of the tags to glorify and paraphrase each title differently based on keywords and targets and contents, and also link those all to this page. And here we will change a little bit. We will add one more class. We will say SEO tags, SEO hashtags. These are the things we will be adding. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. Okay. It got stuck. Done. I think it got broken somehow. Let's just copy paste again, and let me just put this one here as saying hashtags and tags generate for the page. Okay, and this is the prompt. It's breaking somehow after here. Okay, let's take up to this part and finish the hashtag. Let's copy paste and see, like, this is where it is breaking. Let's leave it. Let's just finish it. Okay. And we have our, let's say, UL list, and we come up here in the page. We duplicate this section, but we're not in the edit mode. Let's go to the edit mode. Okay, so I'm in the edit mode. In this mode, I am going to duplicate this. Duplicate, and here I will give it a different title. I will say tags and hashtags for SEO is dead after AI in 2025 is false. Again, writing the full thing so that it understands. So here we will paste the tags that it generated, and it's not bad. So we will enhance our, let's say, CSS a little bit. So I will pause it and update the CSS regarding this. Okay, so I have updated the CSS and it looks a little bit better. You can see, you can say a little bit of issue here and there. So let's just fix this. To hover, if it is hover, then the color, let's say black. Okay, it looks better now. So this is our CSS. So we are done with the hashtags, and even when we come up here, if we click on this, we come to this article and it is not updated. So it is updated, but why it is not showing up? That's strange. I think I was in the site settings, so that's why it was not showing. Let me just update the content. Okay, so I'm in the content. Now you see the publish button is there, so I haven't published it. And if we come up here, at the bottom, we will see, I think now, yes, so we see the hashtags. Now, finally, we could actually put these in two columns as well. That would make things better. We could do it using CSS, but what I want to do now is to find whatever links are there so far in the reference. We will add one more section as the references to other pages, and add all those links that we have put through in the articles here and there at the bottom. Let's give it a shot. Similar, I mean, to do that, we will again, things are actually here. So let me just put the updated CSS here. It sometimes get this ugly. It is in the page settings, custom CSS. Just put the custom CSS here. Okay, so this is our custom CSS. Done. Now, so much mistakes, and it's absolutely fine because we're not giving the IELTS exam here. Now, what I will do here now is copy one of my prompt and create a prompt to ask it to generate those reference section. So this is the prompt that I have created, that please write all reference links in this page except for the page itself, because pages reference I don't want to cite at the bottom. And then generate UL tag with href to the other pages or other sites within this page only, and please do not miss any n given it the order how it needs to do it, and also glorify each tags and so on. Let's paste it and also save our note in here. So I will say like references and citations generate. Okay, so this is the prompt for Copilot. I think it made a mistake. It made a mistake and then generate. I think it misunderstood. All the links. Let's do it like this. Please write all the reference, all the href links in this page. So I say like do not modify the hrefs, keep as it was in the page. Let's give it a shot. Let's see how it works. I think it couldn't do it. Strange. Let's do one more time. Please write. Please read this page source and write all the hrefs. Let's give it a shot again. Okay, now I think it is doing it, but also include the broken links. Do not modify those. I will fix the broken links. Still, I mean, it couldn't do it. So there are some limitations always. We could not use AI to do all the things. But what I could say now is please read the page source and write all the href available here. Simple instruction. Let's see. It's doing the same thing. Sometime it get stuck with the old text or get like frozen. Please read the current page, all the links, and here in code block. Probably it's too much for it. Probably. Please read the current page, current with the current website, we could say also. Website links. Strange. Okay, so let's stop this try. Let's see what is remaining. I think these citations are the final part of the page. Once we complete, then complete with everything. But so far the page looks good. It's green and everything. So it's kind of it for now, let's say. If I find something else, I will add it later.